I'm so groovy.
I'm seeing you want to take a time. I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line. I ain't too proud to be.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tiara, but you could call me T. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, welcome back. As you can tell by the title, this is a car tour. I've been wanting to do this car tour since I got the car. I actually got this car in July of 2022 last year. So I'm kind of finally getting around to doing a car tour for you guys. But yeah, y'all, I did vlog a little bit when I went to go pick up my car. So I'll definitely be like inserting those clips, and I'll insert like some pictures of the car, of my car when I took at the dealership. But yeah, y'all, I'll also towards the end show you guys what my car looks like at night, because it's actually pretty cool. Like, it has a lot of cool overall, my car has a lot of cool features, but I really like it at night. So yeah, y'all, I'm excited to show you guys my car. A little bit about my car journey. So I wanted a new car for like the last couple years. I really wanted a truck or a Jeep. God didn't see it fit at the time for me to get a truck, so I told myself, if I get a new car, I will get a car that all the features I wanted in my Jeep or my truck, like my car has to have. So once again, God delivered, and the more I drive my car, I'm realizing that it has more and more features than what I intended on having. Not saying that that's a bad thing, but it's a very good thing. So I'm definitely happy with my purchase. So I'll definitely be inserting like some clips when I vlog to go get my car. I'll also show you some pictures, and I'll definitely show you guys what my old car used to look like. But without further ado, let's get into this car tour, y'all. And FYI, because I know you guys might ask, no, I don't have any kids. I do have a godson though, and he's with me pretty often. So I know sometimes in my videos y'all be seeing a car seat in the back, but yeah, that's why it's a car seat in the back of my car, because he's normally with me pretty often. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. But all right, let me stop rambling and let me show you all my car.
I'm so groovy. I got power. That's your bitch. I just bought it. Oh, that's your bitch. I just bought it. Perks a matter. Plain jacket. I just fuck the face. Lord name. Tom Brady, Tony Snow. I just backed up with your hoe. Going crazy at the door. I just swooped out the door. Candy yams in the fire, man. Living like you need no.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, bong, bong. Make a call, make a keep at the bong, bong, bong. Your body, kakara. Make a bong, bong, bong. On a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead jugger there. Fine, no bucket there. Watch your love for like it. Why not more there? Your body, check it. Bush it.